Good morning, dear students. Today, our concept is character entities. Before telling you about the character entities, have a look on the web page. Here, you can see 45 less than 57. It is given. Now, if we want to the same print the same text in the web, how it is possible? Means if you will write the less than or greater than in the notepad, the computer will treat is as a tag. Then how we can print the less than or greater than symbol in the web page? For printing the less than or greater than symbol, we are using character entities. Now question is, what is character entities? Have a look on the program. After the body tag 45 and LT. Here by mean of the LT is less than, and LT is used to print the less than symbol. We can't write here less than symbol because the HTML treat it as like a tag. That's why we are using and LT. Wherever you want to print the less than symbol in the web page, you can use and LT. And wherever you want to print the greater than symbol, you can use and GT. Similarly, now one more question raise. If we want to print and symbol, have a look in the web page. Adding 20 and 30 gives the 50 result. Here we want to print and. Now if we write and symbol in the notepad, you can see and GT and LT. Here and symbol is used for a special purpose. Now we want to print the and symbol. For printing the and symbol, we can use and AMP. Means wherever we will write and AMP in the notepad, it will show in the browser and symbol. AMP means ampersand. Next one, dear students, for your kind information, the web page doesn't support more than one character. Means if you are giving more than one character in the notepad, it will not be shown in the browser, it will not shown in the web page. For printing more than one character, you have to use and NBSP. After body, have a look what is written here. Always be and NBSP semicolon and NBSP semicolon. How many times it is written and NBSP means, suppose it is written 5 or 6 times, then 5 or 6 spaces will be printed in the web page. Showing you, have a look here in the web page. After always be, 5 or 6 spaces are here because we have given and NBSP 4 or 5 times. Means how many NBSP will be here in the notepad, the same number of the spaces will be printed in the browser. So dear students, and NBSP and AMP and LT and GT. These are the character entities which are having some special meaning with it. So students, if you have any query, you can WhatsApp me. Thank you.